how to change phone number on Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can change phone number on Amazon account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to change your phone number in Amazon account, open up the Amazon shopping application and then you will see this type of interface. Just come to the account like icon from here, and once you come to the account like icon from here, you will see this again. Well, what you have to do is just go to the your account page. Once you go to the your account page, over here you will see the account settings option here. Then over there you can go to login and security. Once you go to login and security, from here what you have to do is you will see these options here. So here you can see mobile number. If you're already added, you'll find the edit button, so you can tap on add or edit. Then all you have to do is enter the new number, tap on continue, and then you'll be able to change your phone number on Amazon account. This way you can change your phone number on Amazon account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.